Hello and welcome. This is part of our cybersecurity lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Splunk on Ubuntu server. I have Ubuntu server running connected to the internet. So if I try to ping google.com, I have reachability there. So that allows me to connect directly to the internet and download Splunk. So let's run a Firefox and go to you can search or directly go to the link. So this is Splunk Enterprise download. Enterprise. So this let's go to the downloads page, and this will ask you to create an account. If you don't have an account, please create one so that you can get the eval license. We're trying to download Splunk Enterprise. So if we say get my free trial, then if you don't have the account, you can create one here, or if you have one, log in from there. I have an account already, so I'm going to log in. This takes me to the login page. I will log in and then I will start downloading the files I need. So when I log in using my username and password, then it takes me to the login page, so the download page, and the platform we are running is Linux. So I'm going to choose the types of files here. The one I need is the zipped file, so I would download that file, and that goes to my download folder. Okay, let's accept the license agreement all the way to the bottom. And now the download starts. Okay, here's the file. I will wait for a while and then I will take you to the download folder. So we're waiting for that to complete. So the download is complete now. The file is in the downloads folder. So what we're going to do is run from the command line and go to that directory. So let's see, we are at the desktop now and we are Ubuntu user. So if we go to cd, let's go back one step and then say ls-lh. This is the directory we need to go to. So cd downloads, and in here let's check the files that are downloaded, and we see Splunk is there, no other file. That's the only one we have. So let's close that window. Now this is a zipped file and we need to install the binary file of it. It's one of the files in there. So what the Splunk file, I mean, what we need is to unzip this file first. So what I'm going to do is tar -xvzf and then the file name. So this is the file name I have. So if I just type Splunk, and it will complete the rest if I click the tab key. And now that continues for a while until it unzips everything. And then from there, we will go and access the file and run that file, which will install Splunk. So let's wait for a while. So now the file is unzipped. We need to go to the directory which contains the file we're looking for. So first, let me show you what's in there, ls-lh. And you see this one, we already had that file, but when we unzipped, we have that directory. We need to go into that directory. Let's say cd Splunk, the first one, and then see what's in that directory. And you see this is the one we are after, the binary file. So if you go to the directory again, bin, now we're in the bin directory. So let's say ls-lh. We've got so many files and we're going to install Splunk. That's the file we're after. So we're going to say in this directory run Splunk, and that's the file we need. So start, and then you have to press the tab key all the way to the bottom. You can see actually on here it shows you how much percent you have that license agreement file you're up to. So let's go to the bottom, and that now says do you agree this license. Oops. So yes, no other choice. Do you agree with this license? Yes. And then it says now create a username and password for the administrator of the Splunk. So what I'm going to do, I'll create a user. Let's call it admin. And then create a password. Repeat the password again. Okay, now the username and password are created. Then it says if you want to access the web UI to run, copy this. So if you copy that, and if we run Firefox, open a new tab, it's already actually giving us a suggestion. So that's the port we are after. Wait until the services actually all start properly. So this takes some time. If this doesn't work, you can actually access the IP of your machine, because we just start the services. It might take you some time, so wait for a while. And remember, the username we created was admin, and I created a password for that. And now I'm going to say go to the page where we will create our indexes, the whole portal we're going to manage is Splunk. So here in other videos, I'll show you how to create indexes, how to create data collection, data analysis, a lot of configurations from the dashboard and from the administrator. If you want to change anything this platform has, then, or based on your customized settings, then you go to here, settings, administrator. But the work you will be doing, reporting, for example, we will have such a nice dashboard. You can manage loads of stuff. So that's all for Splunk installation, download and registration, and see you in other videos. Thank you for your time.